Hi, my name is Amber and I'm your virtual model agent. Congratulations so far and welcome to Kickstart Models, the premier modeling platform. Kickstart Models is like Linktree on steroids. My job now is to show you how to promote yourself and get yourself seen by model agencies, casting directors, and film companies. I'm gonna show you step by step how to promote yourselves. Let's get you started and build your platform now. First, let's log into your website. To do this, simply add admin to the end of your domain name. For example, type kickstartmodels.com/admin and hit enter. You'll be directed to the login page. Now, enter your email and password, then click on the login button. Once you're successfully logged in, go ahead and pause this button here before continuing to the next step. Next, we're going to change the profile logo and background. Simply click on the pencil icon here, then choose the image or logo you'd like to upload from your files. You can adjust the size and position as you like. For the background, the steps are similar. Click on the pencil icon for the background section. It's a bit larger. Then select the image you want and adjust it so that it looks good. Next, we're going to update your profile settings and information. First, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen. Then, select the Settings menu. Click on Profile. Here, you can update your profile details from your name to your password. As usual, just click the pencil icon next to the field you want to edit. Once you're done, click the check mark to save your changes, then refresh the page. Now that you've finished updating your profile settings, the next step is setting up your profile information. There are two ways to do this: manually typing and uploading an image, or using a script that you can ask ChatGPT to generate for you. Let's start with the manual method. In this method, you can write anything you want about your profile. After that, click the image icon, then select Browse Server. Upload the image you want to use to represent your profile. For example, I'm using this image here. Next, right-click on the image, select Show URL, and copy the image URL. Then paste it into the URL field. Make sure to change the width to 100% and leave the height blank. This helps the image fill the space without looking stretched or squished. Then click OK and click the check mark to save. When done, your manually added profile will appear like this on the home page. Now, let's move on to the script-based method. First, go to any AI platform. In this example, I'm using ChatGPT. Ask it to create a profile script with an image. Once the script is ready, copy the code. Go back to your website and click on the Source button. Then, paste the code into the editor and click Save or the check mark. The script-based profile will then appear like this on the home page. Now, can you see the rotary menu icon? It's hard to spot, right? That's because it blends in with the background. So now we're going to change the color of the rotary menu and also learn how to fill in the menu with your social media links. First, go to Profile, then back into Settings. Under the Themes section, look for Menu Color and change it to whatever color you like. In this example, I'm using Classic White for better visibility. Click Submit, and you'll see the menu color update instantly. Next, let's add your social media accounts. Go to the Account section. Under Social Media, choose which platforms you want to enable by switching them on. For the custom menu, just paste the links to your social media accounts, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn. Don't forget to check the status box to make sure they appear on the rotary menu. If you want to add another social media platform, like TikTok, for example, you can use Menu 1 or Menu 2 and even upload your own custom icon from your files. Once everything is set, click Save. Now your rotary menu will look way more aesthetic and stylish. Now, let's move on to setting up your pages. First, click on the Pages icon. Then, click Add Pages and fill in the following fields: page name, title, keywords, and description. You can write the content manually if you prefer, or you can use a script. In this case, I'm using a script. Once you're done, click Update, and your new page will be created. Now I'm going to add 3 more pages as an example. And that's how you create a page. You can also edit an existing page anytime by clicking on the Edit button. Lastly, let's add some articles. Click on the articles icon, then click the plus button to create a new one. Add your title and your content, then click the check mark to save. Pretty simple, right? Here, I'm going to create a few more as examples. Now, this part is important. If you want your article to be visible to the public, you need to click the green checkmark labeled Publish. Once published, your article will appear on the site. And of course, you can edit any article later using the pencil icon right here. Once everything is done, just click the home icon to go back to your main page. From there, you can go ahead and log out, and boom. Your website now looks much more polished, beautiful, and professional.